Here, apparently he put his party planning skills to the test over the weekend.
Yeah, it kind of looks like they were a slam dunk, something he's used to. Audrey Castellano joins us now with more on that special celebration. Audrey?
Good morning. Yeah, LeBron spent his Father's Day celebrating one of his sons, posting a video of the extravagant celebration. According to Mashable, the video was posted to his King James Instagram. He went all out for his son Bryce's 10th birthday. There were football and soccer fields, even sporting his son's name. There are also clips of LeBron having some fun on the court with the kid. A water balloon fight even included the caption of the video. It is a moving one, showing just how proud this father-to-be is. So he just got down and dirty with all those kids, playing basketball on the football field, doing the water balloon fight. So it was pretty fun. And I just want to know how they're going to top this birthday next year.
Huh. See, that's the thing. You put the bar up there, and then it just makes it a little higher to get over it.
But you know what? If anybody's going to go higher, I think LeBron can do it.
Right, exactly.
That's a good point.